Hello, this is Shannon Smith. I am going to be discussing HDMI cable. Here it is. This is very useful for a lot of things. DVD player, computers, Xbox, PS5, Sony PlayStation 5. So you should always have one of these available at all times. Probably two. Um, The reason why I'm making this video is because it's informational and good advice from me. Um, all HDMI cables come in different sizes. This one that I have is a 10-foot cable, HDMI cable. So if you go to Amazon.com, they have them. Walmart, yes, they have them. Other places they probably have them, but your best bet is Amazon.com. Hold on, there's more. Doomsday Preppers for those who watch the National Geographic Channel and all this other stuff. I find that this is a very good DVD. You'll love it. I have, season 1. And season 2 for DVD Doomsday Preppers. Here's the back of it. I find that DVD collections are very popular today.